Transitions have seen a huge update in ProPresenter 5. Now, instead of just having the default cross dissolve and cut, we now have a whole new multitude of transitions to work with. So let's go to the transitions button and you can see all the transitions we have available. We have iris, ripple, mod, some 3D transitions, and some positional transitions. Let's check out what one of these 3D transitions look like. So we'll click the slides here and you can see they flip in a nice 3D effect. We also have positional transitions. So now you can see that our text flies in from the bottom of the screen. Now, positional transitions have an added feature that none of the other transitions have called motion extended. So if we go back to our transitions button, you can see we have motion extended here. So now when I click these slides, you'll see that the text keeps moving forward after it comes in and extends the motion. But not only can we set global transitions inside ProPresenter, we can now set per document transitions and even per slide transitions. The transition button we clicked before is our global transitions, but to set a document transition, I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and I'm going to click on the transition button and we can set a document transition. So I'm going to do a center with motion extended for this document. So you'll see that this now comes in from the center and keeps moving forward. But if we go to How Great Is Our God, you'll notice it does not have a document transition, so it's going to default back to the global transition of this simple fade. Now you can also set per slide transitions, which is great to give emphasis to certain slides. So let's go down to the bridge of How Great Is Our God. You can see that I've already added a new background to give it more emphasis, but let's also set a different transition. So I'm going to right click on the slide and hit Transitions. And now let's do our center move with a 2-second motion extended. And let's do this for both of our bridge slides. So I'll click on Transition and hit Center. Now you can see both of these slides have a new icon saying it has a custom slide transition. So now let's say we are at our chorus, we have our nice fade, and then we come up to our bridge and we have our new big movement of our center move. And it happens for both slides. We can also now set transitions globally for background media as well as per background. If I go down to our image and video bin, you'll see our global settings for our transitions. But if I want to set a specific cues transition, I can right click on the cue and I can go to media properties. Now you'll see we have an option for transitions and I'm going to set this to an iris. So now when we check out this cue, you'll see a new icon saying this has a specific transition. So now when I go to this bridge, you'll see it irises in with the new text. But this is only for this one cue because when I go back to the chorus, you'll see that it just fades out. You can also set specific transitions for your props layers. All you have to do is go to Props and click on the transition icon and you can set what transition you want for your props.